Okay. Little bro, you pass me some ice, please? Thank you. Oh God, that's clogged. Okay. Hello guys. Anyways, today we're gonna make some lemonade. It's very hot out here. Let's see, lemonade. What you need? Cutting board. Of course, the lemon. Something to put your lemonade in. White sugar. A cup with a very good toy to put on it. Fancy. And a spoon. And a knife. And of course, the ice. Anyways, guys, we are going to start off putting the lemon juice. Which one? I say the little one, so it's not so sour. Right. Actually, we need to start off with the water. Water. Okay. Let's put that in there. Got this lemon juice everywhere. Yeah. Put in the lemon juice. I'm cut. If you ever need help with cutting, maybe just ask an adult or a guardian. That should be enough lemon juice. Let's clean this up, shall we? Clean, clean, clean. That will go in the dish. Okay. Let's go. Then we need to mix that around a little bit. And then we need about 2 cups of white sugar. Let's get on with it. 2 spoons, teaspoon, maybe. What? Big block of sugar. Remember, always stay healthy. Now, we're going to mix that around with this very long spoon. Then, you're going to be able to taste it. See? Lots of lemon. Yeah. It's good to go. Okay. Now, we will put it in this fancy cup. You can put it in any cup you like. Mr. Fox, get ready. You're going to dive into the pool of wonder. Delicious. Okay, customer. Oh yes, what would you like to buy? Sir? Oh, I would like a lemonade, please. Lemonade, that was $10. Yeah! Let's go. Okay, how much ice blocks? Maybe 2. 2? Okay. Blop. Blop. Enjoy your lemonade, sir. Go look at it. Goodbye, guys. Hope you enjoy your lemonade, or someone else, a friend. Bye. Oh, God.